Hey everyone.
Thank you for joining Financial Freedom Legal for Bankruptcy Tea with Steve and V.
We've reached week 3 of our Chapter 7 series, and today we're discussing who's eligible.
So Steve, is it possible for someone to not be eligible for Chapter 7?
Yes, if you've already filed a Chapter 7 within the last 8 years and you received a discharge, you're going to be required to wait to file another Chapter 7. Also, earning too much money might be a problem. But Veronica, how much money is too much?
The short answer is it depends. We have to consider several factors, like the person's household income over the past 6 months, their household size, and how much they're projected to earn yearly. We then need to look at whether that income is above or below the median income level. So Steve, that was a mouthful. What should people do if they want to know if they qualify?
You want to hit us up for a free consultation so we can run the numbers and help you determine if you're eligible. Even if you're above that median income level, Chapter 7 might still be an option for you. But we'd have to take a closer look to see if you pass something called the means test. But guys, even if you don't qualify for Chapter 7, don't worry because there might be other options that can help you resolve your debts. For more information on whether you qualify for a Chapter 7, check out our blog post at fflegalva.com.
That concludes this week's Bankruptcy Tea. See you next week.